going to show you how to change the battery on your sensors. It's real simple to do. Let's say we got this sensor. So the battery is inside. So what you want to do is take this little clip off, and take your tool to loosen this up. And once you turn it maybe 3-4 times, you probably could use your hand and take it the rest of the way off, or just continue to use the tool. Or you can take that little plastic piece which you took off and turn it upside down and put it on there and twist it off the rest of the way. And these are very fine threads, so be careful not to cross thread anything putting it back on. What you want to do is take a knife or a screwdriver and just go ahead and push this piece out. I don't have any fingernails, so I can't do it, so just push it out a little bit. And then grab it and pull it out. And you can get these batteries either in the description, or you can go to Walgreens or Walmart or whatever and pick up this battery. But as you can see, it tells you what type of battery it is. I think that's a CR1632, but I'm gonna zoom in on the battery and let you see it also. So that's how you change the batteries. So if it ever start getting low, you can change the battery in all 4 of them. So you got 4 batteries, 1 in each one of the sensors. Like I said, make sure you don't cross thread these. Just push it, make sure it's sitting in there right. You may hear it snapped a little bit. Okay, that's right there. So if it's too hard to screw on, you're probably cross threading it. So you tighten it up, snug, and don't over tighten it, and take that little piece right there and turn it over and put it back on. Then install it back on your tires. So that's it. If this video helps, subscribe to my channel and visit my website. Thank you.